So today we have with us Mr. Rahul Sharma. He is a professor in Institute of Engineering and Science, IPS Academy, Indore. Very good afternoon, sir, and a hearty welcome to you on behalf of College Dunya. And thank you, sir, for sparing your precious time with us and being a part of Thoughts on Education initiative by College Dunya. So, sir, can I proceed with the interview?
Sure.
Okay, sir. So, sir, being a faculty of the institute, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
Right now, I have a total experience of 15 years in teaching, and my roles and responsibilities are training, teaching and training. Plus, I am a placement coordinator in engineering mechanical department. I also take care of Baha events, SAE Collegiate Club, and I am also the practical exam coordinator over there. So, I generally teach thermal engineering subjects to the students from second year to final year. That's it.
Okay, sir. So, sir, since you are a faculty of this college from a very long time, so can you please tell us that how do you tend to establish a healthy relationship between the faculty, between the administration and the students?
For a healthy relationship between the student and the faculty, you have to work beyond a teacher. Actually, you should treat your student as your child actually, and if they feel free to talk you, to share their problems with you, then it will be very beneficial for them to grow in their future aspects. So it is very necessary to build a relationship that you should understand what is the problem between to the students, and the students should share their needs, their problems with you frankly. So that is a must thing that every teacher or the faculty should do with the students.
Yes, sir, I totally agree with you. So moving forward, that how do you strategize the curriculum that you follow in the college right now, and how it gets updated time to time, so that it is benefiting the students as for now and also in their future? How do you update the curriculum that you have right now?
Actually, before 2019, our institute was affiliated to RGPV Bhopal. Right now, it is also affiliated to RGPV Bhopal, but we are now an autonomous institute. So we can set our curriculum according to the market needs, the demand in the market, the latest technologies in the market. For that, we suggest our curriculum in front of the BOS member. BOS is Board of Studies. Board of Studies members. We have a meeting over there. They will talk for each subject and each unit in that subject. Actually, we will discuss all things in the meetings. What changes should be made? What changes are preferable nowadays? Then that the content and the syllabus that they finalize. Then we will finally share it with the students. Actually, the Board of Studies meeting is comprised of academician, either he's from IITs or NITs, industry member, industry manager of managerial post, and faculty or expert from RGPV University, and one of our alumni also included in that meeting. So they share their views, they made changes accordingly, and then we will decide what will be the best suited for the students. This is how our curriculum.
Okay, sir. So right now, how many streams are there in the college?
We have 7 streams in our engineering institute.
Okay, sir.
It includes computer science engineering. In computer
Yes.
science engineering, we have different branches: computer science engineering, computer science and information technology, computer science
Okay.
with data science, computer science with IoT, then computer science with AIML, simple AIML.
Yes, sir.
In addition to this, we have core branches like civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, electrical engineering, chemical engineering, and an additional branch, uh, a special branch which is fire tech and safety engineering.
Okay. Okay. So, sir, moving forward, do you have any extracurricular activities or programs for the students to enhance the skill, or to get so that students can get an exposure apart from the curriculum, apart from the course that they study?
There are so many cells or multiple divisions. They are working on this. Actually, we have a EDC cell, Entrepreneurship Development Cell. In there, we boost our students to become an entrepreneur. In addition to it, we have our Predna scheme for the students who want to do their higher education in their grade. It is sponsored by a government of India. Uh, in addition to that, we have MSME cell also here. So there are so many things that are working on. We are working on our students. Apart from our academics, we are doing our curriculum activity. There is a every year we have an industry institute interaction for the students for the placement activities. We have a centralized placement cell also for the students.
So, you also take your students to the industrial visits and all.
Yes, for industrial internship, industrial visits, expert lectures. They all
Yes.
every Saturday we have either we have an expert lecture from an academician or an industry person, or we will go to an industry nearby us.
Okay, sir.
In every 4 year, for each batch, in every 4 year we have a that institutional industrial tour also of 7 days.
Okay. So moving forward, how does your department or your college enhance the skills of the faculties so that they get updated according to the time? Like right now we can see that it's a digital world altogether. So how do you update your skills for the faculties so that your students can also get ready for the industry?
For faculties, actually, we have some plans that every faculty can have to join MOOC courses, online MOOC courses actually, through NPTEL or SWAYAM portal. So they can get certified over there. The institute will provide fund for that. What it may be the registration fees, the institute will bear that. In addition to that, we send our faculties for online, offline courses also, either in IITs or any industries or NITs. So for 7 days or multiple 15 days training also. So faculties can be benefited from that, and they provide their knowledge, their views to the students after that.
And so how often it happens? Like once in a year or once in every 6 months? How does it happen? What's the frequency of that? Like to train your faculties?
It depends on faculty to faculty. In each semester, there is a dedicated fund for each faculty that he can use it for higher the conferences or workshops, seminars, faculty development programs. He can use. It depends on him only. He can use in each semester. He can use once a while.
Okay, sir. So moving forward, what are some challenges that you see both in the higher education and as well as particularly in your college, like the challenges that you see that there are existing in this country for higher education, problems that many people are facing in higher education, and particularly to talk about your college, then what are the some challenges that your college is facing
Some
as of now?
challenges. About about the challenges. There are so many challenges. There is a gap between industry and institute. So we should bridge that gap actually, first of all, because industry needs ready students. So, and other thing is that the curriculum that is changing, it should be changed every year according to the needs, according to the future aspects, that how the industries are working on future. There should be some more practical knowledge in spite of that theory knowledge. That should be it is a very large gap that it should be finished very soon, so that the students get ready for the industry as if they pass out from as they completed their BTech or any course.
Yes, totally agree. And so, when you came in this college, what was the mission, and what was the mission that you took, that when you enter this college, how will you achieve the type of vision that you have in your mind? So I have to do this for my college. So what do you thought at
joined this institute? When I joined this institute in 2013, actually. Before that, I was in the college. When I joined this institute, mechanical was just introduced in that year only. So we have some mission for that. We have a vision that we have to do something for this. Right now, we are NBA accredited. It's mechanical department. I'm in mechanical department actually. So we have 5 NBA accredited programs running in our institute. We are NAC accredited. We are only a single private institute in Madhya Pradesh who got autonomous. Who got autonomy. In spite of our institute, only 3 institutes are autonomous in Madhya Pradesh. Both of the 3, all the 3 are government institutes. We are the first private institute in Madhya Pradesh who got autonomy. So yes. We are NBA accredited, we are NAC accredited, we are autonomous institute. Yes. This was the aim. In future, we are planning for university. That's how it works.
So really happy to hear that. So my last question would be, what valuable advice you would like to give to your students, so that they can have a prosperous career ahead?
My advice is that you have to focus on your career, and you should do it in between your studies. Right now, the thing is that students, we are facing some issues and some problems due to pandemic. The last 2 years are very badly affected due to the pandemic. So the need of the industry is now, all the industries are moving towards automation actually. So the need of manpower is nowadays decreasing day by day. So every student should have to get ready for the challenges that what the industry needs nowadays. They should look after that, and they should be ready in between their graduation period, because there is no time that after graduation every company will train you or something like that. So you have to be alert. You have to change yourself according to the market conditions or the technologies, the latest technologies that are coming in nowadays.
Yes, sir. I agree. Totally agree with you. So, sir, here we end our interview. So, thank you very much, sir, for keeping aside your valuable time and sharing your thoughts with us on this platform of thoughts on leadership and thoughts on education platform. And whatever you shared will be really beneficial and will be really beneficial for our students and also the aspirants. So thank you very much, sir, for your time. And
Thank you so much.